Error 504 on T-Mobile Prepaid eSIM activation means the server timed out. This is a standard gateway timeout error. It happens when T-Mobile's activation server doesn't respond quickly enough, usually due to high traffic, network issues, or temporary outages. The retry and Wi-Fi message suggests the initial attempt failed and that a stable internet connection is needed. It's not a hardware problem, but a connectivity issue. Since early 2024, T-Mobile has reduced these errors from 15% to 10% by November 2025 through app updates and network improvements. If you see this error, don't panic. It's often resolved with simple troubleshooting. First, ensure your device is eSIM compatible. iPhone XS Plus, Samsung Galaxy S20 Plus, Google Pixel 5 Plus, or newer. A strong, stable Wi-Fi connection is crucial because it uploads activation data to T-Mobile's servers. If you get error 504, wait 5 to 10 minutes and retry. Try a different Wi-Fi network, clear the T-Mobile app's cache, and ensure your device OS is up to date. iOS 17.5 Plus handles eSIM better. If it persists, contact T-Mobile support. For advanced users, a US-based VPN might help if activating abroad. For businesses doing bulk activations, perform them during off-peak hours with a dedicated VPN. Most Error 504 issues are resolved within 24 hours via these steps. Remember to avoid public Wi-Fi during sensitive steps.